Hello everybody, my name is Combo Train and welcome back to the most popular thing on Roblox. This game right here, I'm not gonna play it, but I will play this only in the United States. Actually, wait. Yeah, only in the United States of America. Only that. So, let's play this game. I have played this game before. I wonder how long
What is this called?
I can go.
Animal Crossing.
See, I don't have that. No, I do not have $500. Anyways, there we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alrighty, I already know what's really happening. I already know what Barney does. If you do guys have some tips, then I'll be really helpful. But right now, ooh, it's really glitchy right now. Okay, now it's working. Now it's no longer glitching. Thank you, come again. I believe, let's see here, the first guys are always herbs and eye drops. Huh? Uh-huh. Okay, thank you and come again. I'm not gonna stop recording until I die. Anyways. Excellent. Anyways. Let's see the first guy. No, thank you. I swear to gosh, if you go this way. Calm down, sir. You look normal. Five, four, three, two, one, go, 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 go. 1, 2. Get out of here. Look normal. Thank you, come again. Oh my gosh. I already dealt with you, man. No. Anyways. Just telling you guys, I'm probably gonna die during shift 10. Alrighty. Hey. You sound like you're drunk. Why do you sound like that? Bruh, the fire extinguisher ain't even here. Alrighty, let's see here. Bruh. Oh, there it is. Any more bed monsters? No. Alrighty. Oh. Yay! Try eyes, okay. Huh? Oh. Canadian. Man, these guys are easy. Good. $88. Hey! Bam! Wow, Okay, Raphu. I'm gonna only serve you because I already know what your secret is. I just wanna... Yeah, why don't I even check? Alrighty. As long as you're checked in as a patient, yeah, go ahead. Alrighty. Look normal. Alright, T, you look good. Thank you, come again. Sir, how dare you show your face here? Yeah, right. Sucker. Oh, look, it's Ron from accounting. Alrighty, boy, we don't got all day. We're already 10 minutes in the video and we're already in shift 3. My name's Ron. From accounting. Duh. One from stress job. Oh, okay. Wonder why you keep hiring people? Because they want to keep in business, maybe? Duh? I mean... Thank you, come again. Hey. I want to check it as a patient. Thank you, come again. Oh, also, this is well, it's kind of a horror game. Well, yeah, it's a horror game, I guess. Does this have jump scares? I don't. I'm trying to remember. This game has jump scares or not? Alrighty, thank you. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little child. Da 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 could I say down the boss here? Turny, turny, twirl to your pie. Ooh. IV drops and eyes, IV drops and eyes, IV drops and eyes. Bruh. Level up? What? Alrighty. Let's begin. Wait, room 1 8 even there. 2, 3, 5, 4. Alrighty, let's begin. I'm gonna take a shot, put in a DNA. I'm also gonna take your shot and put it in a DNA. I'm also gonna take your shot and put it in a DNA. I hope this hurts. While it's loading. Ah. I need 3 things. Medkit, maple syrup, bandages. Medkit, bandages. I forgot, so I'm going back. And maple syrup. I thought that was the last one. Oh, okay. Close the door. So I need 2 things. Medkit and for monitor. Medkit for monitor. Medkit for monitor. Medkit for monitor. Alrighty, let's see what you got. Give me your best shot. Da, da, da. Ointment, cough syrup, maple syrup. Ointment, cough syrup, maple syrup. Maple syrup, cough syrup. Cough syrup. Patient's recovering. Load fever. Thermometer. Oh, hello. Follow me to your do I even have the taser? No. Hey, I really appreciate it if you don't do that. Thank you, come again. I don't know, well, whatever. Huh? Jeez. Wait, does this count as an item? No. Very well then. Sir, I'd rather you not. Thank you. Oh wait, why did I take his picture? I was about to check him in. Woo! Oh yeah, he was an anomaly. Thank you, come again. Uh-huh. Thank you, come again. Anyways, let's see here. You look good, you look good. Alright, you look good. You decided to fake me. Would be a shame if someone threw you in the trash. And if you saw that. There we go. Thank you, come again. Oh my, okay, sir? Okay. Alrighty, what do you got for me? Thank you, come again. What the hell was that noise? I'm starting to see stuff. think I'm going insane. Oh yeah, I'm going insane. Hello. Wait, does this count as an item? No, it does not. Wow, that's good. Now I got all this stuff in here. Thank you, come again. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Alright, you look good. Thank you, come again. Yes, yes, I know, I know. Uh-huh. Alrighty, let's do surgery first. Oh, oh. Man. They... not... Guys. Anyways. Scissors, 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 scissors. You. Okay. Okay. Shoot. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Alrighty. Thank you. Come again. Shh. Go to sleep. Here you go. You're bleeding? Aww, someone needs to boo-boo. Alrighty. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you're low sugar. Now, oh, the heli. Oh my gosh. Why is everybody getting low sugar? Actually, I kind of like it that way, so. For monitor, cough syrup, bandages. For monitor, cough syrup, bandages. For monitor, cough syrup, bandages. For monitor, bandages. For monitor, bandages, bandages. What do you need? Okay. From ointment, cough syrup, for monitor. Ointment, cough syrup, for monitor. Ointment, cough syrup, for monitor. For monitor, ointment, ointment, ointment. Okay. That, that. Okay, it's not. Great, doctor's arriving. I know. Not yet. Yes. I know. Good night, Dr. Hollow. What's my fire extinguisher? Critical patient. Is that it? Okay. I've seen worse. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you got make it in Bennett ointment. How depressing. Besides, where's the coffee guy? Do I not have it? What? Ow, ow, ow. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna put that out. I don't care what people say in the comments. You gotta press the button on the phone. You're supposed to make more than I. No. Now, is there any wall monsters in there? No. Okay. Dang, I was really hoping for extra coffee. Say, I don't know if he doesn't arrive until shift 10. Gosh dang it, why? Transplant. Hello? Say guys, I'm gonna stop during shift 5, so I hope that's okay with you. So do one successful surgery, then I'll stop. Also, he would have been dead if I'm helping his heartbeat. Like, right now. He would have been dead. That's not realistic. It needs to thump, like, here and there, like, thump, 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 thump. Like it if you hit these skull things. Yeah. No. I like the ragdoll. That's kind of cute. let's just say I get very bored. If I'm getting bored, that means you guys are getting bored. You guys just noticed me? Really? At this point, I'm just gonna be like... Actually, wait. I'm gonna change that now. Yeah. Uh-huh. Ointment. Down? Okay, yeah. Saturday is, you guys know that's my day off. Every Saturday, I'm gonna ask guys, what I'm gonna do. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna leave. Okay. Every Saturday, I'll post, hey guys, got any games you want me to play? And I'll play them at that words. I'll play them on Thursday. I think they'll post on Thursday. I don't know. I keep forgetting when it will post. This is just a little shortcut for it. Yes, I know. Ron. I know everybody. Coffee guy. It's just... let me play games I haven't before. Like, something unusual. But, as for now, see you guys later. Bye-bye.